Hey, this is Mike. Check out this Ram 2500 heavy duty truck. Now this one is a work truck. It doesn't have a huge amount of bells and whistles, but the price is really nice on this one. It does have the 5.7 liter HEMI, and it's a two-wheel drive truck. So let's check it out. It's got the steel wheels, chrome plated steel wheels. You got tow hooks here in the front. Chrome bumpers, chrome grille. We do have the tow mirrors, which fold out like that. And they are heated, and they do break away this way and that way. So you can get through tighter spaces there. Here's the inside of the passenger door. It's all about functionality on this truck. Not a lot of no wood grain trim or anything like that, but shoot, I mean, you got the vinyl seats, the vinyl floors. It's going to be easy to keep clean, and you know, it has a lot of the features that a lot of people enjoy in the Ram. Here's the inside of the back door. This is a crew cab, so you got plenty of room back here. You also have some storage space underneath the seats, cup holders. You also have the little storage compartment in the floor. Same thing on the other side. You got that storage compartment over there as well. You got a one-piece glass here in the back. This is a long bed truck, so it has plenty of room in the back of the truck. You got your towing package right there. It does have a lockable tailgate. You do need to use the key to lock the tailgate on this one. Lots of cargo room back here. Give you a view from this side. So here's the driver's door. You got your storage pockets there, big speaker. You do have power doors, door locks, power windows, power side mirrors that are heated, by the way, and it does have automatic headlights, tilt steering. But I'm going to go ahead and hop in. It just has a regular key. It doesn't have a key fob for like remote start or keyless entry or anything like that. Turn the fan down. Here's the steering wheel. It's like a synthetic material, but it is kind of soft to the touch. Kind of gives with your hand, so it's not real hard, so basically doesn't fatigue your hand on long trips. And you do have cruise control, which is really good for long trips. And on this side you've got some buttons that correspond to this menu system here. So like, say you can have a digital speedometer, and you can go into vehicle info and see your tire pressure, because it does have tire pressure monitors, temperatures, pressures, stuff like that. There's a summary. Fuel economy, you can go into there and see what you're getting in the moment, and also the average. You have different trips, A and B, trailer tow. Now it does have the trailer brake control right here, so you can adjust the gain here, or keep an eye on the gain there. would go in the speedometer. That's kind of like the default. Now you can see it does have a digital temperature there at the top. That's the outside temperature. The rest of the gauges are pretty simple: speedometer, gas gauge, temperature gauge, and your RPMs. This one does not have the volume on the back of the steering wheel, but it does have a cool RAM symbol here in the steering wheel. Okay, so we have a column shifter, just regular, you know, shift it just like old school, but you can upshift and downshift using the plus and negative buttons there. So here's your center stack here, little storage pocket up here, I guess for pens or just any keys or anything you want to lay there real fast. Your radio is pretty basic. You do have satellite radio, I think. No, just AM FM, sorry about that. AM FM. Now it does have media inputs, which I'll show you in just a second. They're in here. Auxiliary USB is your media inputs. And that way you can use an iPod or a any kind of MP3 playing device, or you can just plug a flash drive in there and play songs off of that. So I mean, you still got a lot of options as far as that goes, but it's, you know, your basic tuning and all that good stuff. Here's your climate controls, pretty much the same you would see, you know, from any vehicle from the past 30 years or so. Fan speed, temperature, and where you want the air to blow. It does have a tailored tow haul button, and that way when you're towing a heavy trailer, you push that, and right next to it is your traction control. You can turn that off. It's default on. And there's your trailer brake control there. You have a power supply there, as well as there, and in here. And this here opens up, and you kind of have like a junk drawer there. You got some storage pockets down there. You got storage in here. You have a charger, a place to plug in a charger, cup holders. This whole thing lifts up here, and then you can put a center passenger, and that way you can see there. But there's your rear view mirror, visors. See if it's got a little mirror. Yeah, it's got a mirror on that side. Let's take a look under the hood. .7 liter HEMI V8. It does have MDS, which is a cylinder deactivation, and it does have VVT, which it helps get you decent gas mileage for a truck this size. Alright, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments or send me an email. My email address will be in the description. See you next time.